If you work with a document full of feedback, revisions, and notes, you've probably wondered how to expand all comments in Microsoft Word quickly, instead of clicking through them one by one. In this video, I'll show you the easiest way to display every comment in a clean sidebar view so you can review everything faster and stay organized while editing. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful Microsoft Word tips just like this. Let's jump in. First, open your Word document and look at the top ribbon. Click the Review tab. This is where Microsoft Word keeps all the tools for comments, tracking, and document review. Once you're in the Review tab, find the Show Comments option. Click it to make sure the Comments panel is visible. If comments are already present in your document, this will help bring them into view more clearly. Next, look for the View options inside the Comments area. Choose List View. This is the key step, because List View displays all comments in a sidebar pane instead of hiding them inside the document. Once you switch to List View, Word will expand the comments so you can see them all together in one place. That makes it much easier to scroll through feedback, compare notes, and respond efficiently. If you're working on a long document with lots of collaboration, this view is especially useful because you don't have to jump around the page searching for each individual comment. Everything is grouped in the sidebar, which saves time and helps you stay focused. You can read through the comments in order, identify the most important feedback, and make edits without losing track of what needs attention. Another helpful tip is to zoom out mentally and use the Comments pane as your review dashboard. When all comments are expanded in List View, it becomes much easier to manage your workflow, especially if you're editing reports, essays, contracts, or team documents. You can move through the feedback one by one and keep the document itself uncluttered. So to recap, the process is simple. Go to the Review tab, click Show Comments, and then select List View to expand all comments into a sidebar pane. That's the fastest way to see everything at once in Microsoft Word. If this video helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more quick Word tutorials, office productivity tips, and easy step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.